Welcome to today's guide on how to leave a Facebook group. Facebook groups are a great way to connect with like-minded individuals, share common interests, and engage in meaningful discussions. However, there may come a time when you want to leave a group for various reasons, whether it's to declutter your feed, maintain your privacy, or simply disengage from the group's content. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to gracefully exit a Facebook group without causing any disruption or discomfort to its members. So, let's get started on the journey to learn how to leave a Facebook group. So first go to your Facebook account and go to a Facebook group. So, you see left, join group. So, click them, and you see down leave group. So click them. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to leave a Facebook group. Whether you needed to step away for personal reasons or simply wanted to streamline your Facebook experience, knowing how to exit a group can be a valuable skill. Remember that leaving a group is a personal choice, and it's okay to do so when it aligns with your preferences and interests. If you ever change your mind or wish to rejoin a group, you can always send a new request to the group administrator. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore our other tutorials or reach out to us. Happy Facebooking!